We're proud to introduce our latest electric rolling truck bed cover. Combines anti-theft design with a sleek look. It made of hard aluminum alloy with high-precision die casting, with reduced noise thanks to advanced die casting. Full sealing and drainage protect your cargo from rain and dust. Its waterproof IP56+, supports 300 kilograms dynamic load. Control it via key switch or Bluetooth and manual to customize movement, lighting, and monitor its status in real time.
Step-by-step guide perfect for DIY at home.